Hey, I'll be at the top.
Okay.
I win. Whose stomach was that?
No, mine.
Not mine.
Not mine.
It was mine, just kidding.
Ah! Help! Help!
Help!
Don't you worry, we're here to save you.
Thank heavens for that. Our friend Denver got blown up from the volcano. What should we do?
I don't know.
Good. She was mean.
Quit talking and jump onto this rope. Save yourselves.
But I lost an earring. And broke a nail. Plus, this volcanic ash is making my hair soggy, wet and greasy.
Will we go back and look for your earring? There's no time for that. We have to save ourselves.
Okay, let's go.
Phew, we're safe. Oh no!
What?
I'm going to miss the Hibs game.
So what? Our hair is ruined.
It's more important that I get to watch Hibs beat Hearts.
It takes time to get our hair this good. Don't worry, Denver never really got hurt during the making of this film. Thanks for your concerns. Adios.
Sayonara. Catch you later.
Bye.